Oh, man. I missed a really great sweep, and now it's expired.
You know, if you use the Expiring Soon category on Sweepstakes Plus, that will never happen.
Really?
Yeah, let me show you. Meow, meow.
All right, show me. So Leela just taught me how to use the Expiring Soon category in my sweepstakes, and I am so excited to show you guys today. And let's thank Leela, because she's just a little brainiac. I love her. Sweepstakes Plus lists so many sweepstakes that you just might miss a few. But the answer to this is the Expiring Soon category, and I'm going to show you it today. You can check what sweeps are ending today or in the next 14 days by going here in the Expiring Soon category, and you can check all the different categories of sweeps that might be expiring. You might even want to check your favorite category to see if there are any sweeps that you missed that you'd like to enter. Here's a special tip. Make sure that you are using Sweeps Check, because then you can look through the Expiring Soon sweeps and see if you missed any. Look, I missed this one, so I'll have to enter it before it expires. Sweepstakes Plus is also unique in the way that we keep a database of all expired sweeps. Here's the expired archive. If you'd like to check on a sweep that you entered earlier in the year, you can use Expired Sweepstakes, and you can find a specific sweep by using the Sweepstakes Power Search. Sweepstakes Plus is the only online sweepstakes database that offers expired My Sweepstakes. This offers you another level of organization in your daily sweeping routine. So get out there, keep sweeping, keep winning, and use the Expiring Soon category to organize your sweeps. All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Happy sweeping. Bye-bye.